Alright, so today is a day when I'm supposed to be heading to Hype TV for an interview. Yeah, I kinda run late. I'm supposed to be there. Look at brother midnight. I'm supposed to be there at what time? What time am I supposed to be? I'm supposed to be there for 7:30. No, it is 7:10 and I know when I left my house. I need to hurry up and reach there. Oh yeah, big up the shirt here too. Big up the shirt here too. Yeah. Oh, and welcome to a brand new Do Road with Dutty. Oh yeah, big up the shirt here. A long time in the way. The last time I did wear it, I went Porsche Sims to the wear for a color shirt, and then somebody did diss me and say after me no better come in and they color something. Yeah. But it is Christmas, so I are bringing this shirt out. Huh. Anyway, look here, look what I just done fine. This was like the camera we they have back in high school. I used to go pews, go buy the little flame where you put around here, so if me can open this. Yeah. Open the man. Open. Yeah, watch out. What you know about them something here when you have to put in the flame around here, so in your song you put it in and then you wind it around. Then you flicker it in, you look through this and you take a picture. Yo, this was life. Name brand, I'ma still have it, watch out. I wonder if it can still work. Anyway, so we just reached the Hive TV studios for Up and Live. We're going to be having a little interview talking about my life and flagging and all them something there. So let's just see how it is. Alright, so now it's time to go on. Alright, record for me.
Watch us. But there's more to come on Hive TV's Up and Live. Thank you so very much, DuttyBerry.
No problem.
To finally meet you. Alright, yeah.
Yo, so I must say, that was the first box foot time me I see Ninja Man in a person. Only don't understand me, they kind of low-key start struck. The brother here, some of them I see on TV and respect for like over the years, just because him just talking mine and them things there. But me see him in a person and me just never know if he said me they just start to box foot struck. And when me did start to feel say, yo, me ask my question, I interview him a little bit, you know, I'm picking brain, then me look on him face and me just get afraid. It's like me no know something about how him face just structure, it just look intimidating. Like me just couldn't do it, and then before you know I could get the little courage, I cut him cut. So that was the little running that I had with Ninja Man. Yeah, it's one of the moments that I'm not gonna forget. You know, as a dancehall icon, but yeah, but afraid of him. Not gonna lie, afraid of him. So me gonna ask my question, I'm look at him face, I'm just say, you know what? Back the away, Barry, back the away.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, it's Hive TV's Up and Live, and I'm here with the promoter for the event of the season, should I say, because that clashed in. His name is Akil Brian, and he's there with a big dancehall veteran around. Oh God! Ninja Man, ladies and gentlemen, and as I said, they're promoting the clash event of the Christmas House of Dancehall. How you feeling, Akil? How you feeling, Ninja Man? Yeah, turn on your mic. Great. Ninja. Yeah.
Someone like clash, nobody can clash me.
Nobody can clash you.
Clash me, I have one thing to tell them. I do not want them. Them one I don't know hear them. Want them, want me to hear them. Go ask Bounty Killer, go ask hear them.
Oh Lord. See.
Me tell a long shot day. The boy if he kill me no man yet. Let boy body lead on in a dark base. Bright like a Mr. Man Charles. I'm up in them one again. I guess before me I go murder about 10 again. Friendship I hypocrite so me no need friend again. So me I go send for the little young friend again. Sure.
Hey burritos. So this is the first on the vlogs. Come here, I give a free ticket to both boys. How much we get? About 4? You can come because it's not
more to hey.
So the event here, Portmore Music Fest. Anyway, me put up the flyer. Portmore Music Fest, I'm gonna have 4 tickets to give away to 4 lucky burritos. No, to 2 people, so they can have a friend, right? 2 people now give us, so they can give it a friend. I need a question now. No, I need a question.
Where did my head go?
So the first 2 people tell me what was the name that I gave to Tessa and Chin when she was on The Voice.
Oh God, that's easy.
So you just can comment once you want to make sure that you'll be there for Portmore Music Fest. The date is December 29 at 6 p.m.
Thursday.
Oh, it's a Thursday over in Portmore. I'm sure you're going to want something to do. So that is it. The first 2 people tell me what the name that I gave Miss Tessa and Chin. You'll be going to this concert, this event, alright? You know, plug your event.
Yeah man, I want a good as name. So
Oh, you want a good as name?
Yeah.
I can't call it free ticket good as like.
Free ticket good as.
I can't call it tiki shot. No, that sound ain't. That sound too raggedy. No, I'm gonna find something. I'm gonna find a name. I'm gonna work on it and then call you and then I can start. Go. I'm gonna give you a name for 2017. Hi Ramona.
Hi.
Yeah. So you fill out the whole spot today up on live?
Yes, I did. Big up Super Hive.
Yeah man, it was
everybody.
good.
Thank you.
A long time Super Hive they was enough from my idea. I'm in knee. Super Hive not supposed to be about 50 now.
He's about 50.
Super Hive they are is he them the boss when him the well young? Or something a long time Super Hive they more?
Yeah, real talk. He's a
He's
hard
only
working
9 years old.
He's hard working.
Yeah, man, hard working. So what are your plans, Ramona, for the Christmas?
I just want to be high and happy and spread love and peace. Right now I'm high. I plan to be high for the rest of my life. Because when you're high, people can't do
Don't go low, stay high.
Sound
Yeah.
like a slice of cheesecake.
Or something else. It's blood. Alright, take care. You're not sure what your plans for the year.
I plan to spend it at Portmore Music Fest and then right after New Year's Eve, I'm going to church.
Yeah.
No, hold on, I'm not getting a ticket to the festival.
No, really? The shameless plug going to take place right now?
I've never had shame, man.
Shameless plug.
VIP. So you don't even need a ticket.
No, I like them style.
No, you just walk in.
No. Security tight. I want to ticket here.
And when you reach there, so them block you off.
Exactly.
We're going to give it to you right after this.
Alright, thank you.
Alright, bye everyone. That's it for another The Road with Dutty Vlog. Alright, take care.
Yeah.
Really, little brother.
Yeah.
Look how you're black. I can't even see your face. Watch it. Why every young person seems like them have one of them shoes here? What's so special about them shoes here?
A golden eagle.
More one of them shoes. What size you wear?
Size 10.
That means I can't wear your shoes then, cause sometimes sometimes my foot has my foot not put on no weight. I've been exercising my foot weight. I lose about 2 inches off of my foot. It's a size 0 foot me have.
Size 0.
No way, so all the way straight I use for my foot.
Well done.
And flat foot tee. You never hear about flat tummy tee?
Oh yeah,
I have flat foot tee. That's so corny, like I need to just stop with the corniness.
Yeah.
Anyway, just wait for the drive to go home now.